Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5125M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with premium cab, heat and air. Tractor has the 540M quick attach front end loader that goes right with it. Tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact dates. Also, the tractor has just over 100 hours, so very low hour tractor, practically a new tractor here. Lots of nice options on this tractor. It has the 16-speed PowerQuad Plus Transmission. For years, guys have been screaming for the PowerQuad transmission in the 5M series tractors, and they finally did start offering that transmission in these tractors. So very nice transmission. Basically, what it consists of is 4 ranges and a 4-speed power shift within each range. The power shift can be shifted without clutching, so you've got a 4-speed power shift in each of the ranges that can be shifted without clutching, which makes it a super user-friendly tractor for haying and any other type of work. Again, the tractor does come with the 540M quick attach loader. Loader is plumb for grapple. Third function right there on the loader. Global style hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket does not look like it's been used. Again, the tractor has just over 100 hours, so very low hour tractor. Does have the grill guard up front, also has the weight carrier on it as well. Has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Trelleborg radial tires. Entry doors on both sides of the cab. Has rear fender extensions and front fenders. Has a large rear wheel weight on each of the rear wheels. PTO switch on both rear fenders. Extra lights up here. You get the side work lights as well as the rear work lights. Rear wiper back here. Triple rear hydraulics. Has the ISO plug-in as well. 540 and 540 PTO. Has the stabilizer bars, the heavy-duty extendable 3-point links. About as close to new as we're going to be able to get for you. Very nice tractor, and again does have that PowerQuad transmission. Inside the tractor, looks new in here, still smells new. Does have the buddy seat here on the side. It's got the premium air ride seat that is heated. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Does have the deluxe cab with that visibility window up top there. That piece right here just slides back, and then you've got a full glass visibility window there, so if you're stacking bales or anything of that nature, you can really see out of that top window. And again, PowerQuad transmission, you have 4 ranges on this lever and a 4-speed power shift within each of those ranges. Power shift is shifted in 3 different spots. You have 3 different places where you can shift it. You can shift it right here on the range lever. You've got the up-down button to go up or down. You have the buttons right here on your loader joystick, and you also have a toggle over here. So whatever your job may be, wherever your hand is resting, you can pretty much shift that transmission wherever your hand is resting. All your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls also located to the right. It's got a nice radio up top with the Bluetooth capabilities. Climate controls up top, rear view mirror. Very nice tractor. Again, does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Double check the listing for the exact dates. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.